Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome back to another review. But before we get started, go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So, for the first time on the channel, guys, we got some TEDS buds. I got a few different eighths right here. But of course, today we're going to focus on the Twin Turbo. We go ahead and put these other two away. And let's go ahead and check out this pack, guys. That's an awful lot of TEDS buds. On the backside, we can see that this was a collab between TEDS Buds, and that's an awful lot of cough syrup, I believe, is a company. We go right here. This is Twin Turbo. It's going to be Ron Burgundy times jet fuel. This is going to come in at 33% THC. So very excited to try this one out. Dope Mylar pack, as you guys can see right there. And this is sealed, of course. I believe we figured out a way to open it up. Let me see if I can open it up again. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open up this pack. I went ahead and just cut a slit on the back part of it. That was the easiest way. I wanted to make sure that I kept the pack intact. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the bud. Sheesh. Definitely a loud pack. You can smell it as soon as you open it. Let me grab one of these buds right here. Look at that. Nice, soft, fluffy. A lot of keef coming off of it. Let me go ahead and bring it up to the nose, see if I can describe the aroma. Definitely like a candy gas nose to it. Just a lot of sweetness. Oof. A little bit of gas on it. Very nice. Now let's go ahead and take a look at these buds up close with those macro shots. All right, guys, let's take an up close look at this Twin Turbo. Nice looking bud. Let's go ahead and grind it down and see what it smokes like. All right, guys, and just like that, we're back with a nice rolled up doink filled up with Twin Turbo. This is a collab between TEDS Buds and Desto Dub. Let's go ahead and take this top off. And see what it's smoking like. Cheers. And if you tried Ted's Buds out, let me know what strain you've tried and what you thought. And even it out just a little bit. We have it 2 hits in. Definitely some nice smoke. Very flavorful. Nice and clean. Reminds me of like Fidel's, Gas No Brakes, all of the big name brands. A lot of flavor punching through. Definitely that fuel, that gassy terp coming through. Nice solid white ash. Look how soupy it's already getting. Definitely some potent flower. This is the kind that tickles your nose hairs when you take that inhale and exhale. With some nice flavor that stays in the mouth. Let me go ahead and smoke it down a little bit more, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. All right, guys, and we are back. Been smoking on this thing for a little while now. As you can see, very soupy. Nice solid white ash, and just a nice, even, consistent flavor all the way through. Some solid effects. I can really feel my body starting to get relaxed. So that is a plus. Twin Turbo from TEDS Buds. If you haven't checked them out, be sure to give them a try. And if you guys are on social media, be sure to follow me at Official Space City and at Official Space City Cannabis Merch. Those are going to be the IG handles. And don't forget to check out my other 2 YouTube channels, Space City Grows and the Space City Podcast. And with all that being said, I'll be sure to catch you on the next live stream. Peace.